Hi, this is Kerry with Primeline Products. Today we're going to discuss rescreening a damaged screen with our rescreening kit, along with creating a screen frame using the Made to Fit kit. Now I'm going to show you how to make a window screen frame with the framing kit. So we're going to cut a 2-foot screen frame, and what you've got to take into account are the screen corners. Each corner is 3/4 of an inch wide. So we're going to add those two together to get 1.5 inches that we're going to take off the length. So we'll actually be cutting it at 22.5 inches. Using your miter box, you'll set the screen frame into it and align it to be cut. Using your hacksaw with a fine-tooth blade, you'll just cut through. And we're going to insert our screen corners into the framework. This is the finished screen frame. There's spline inside of the framework. So in the next portion, we'll cover how to rescreen a damaged screen or putting in new fabric into a screen frame. The rescreening kit comes with fiberglass screening, enough to do a door or several windows, spline to hold the fabric in place, and a rescreening tool. So I've pre-cut the fiberglass fabric larger than the screen frame, and I've rotated the screen around, and we're going to start with the shorter edge of the framework and push in the spline into the corner. And take the rolling tool, using the concave edge, applying pressure and not pushing it all the way in, just enough to hold the fabric. We're going to reverse the screen to the opposite side. And do the same thing. And then we're going to take the other rounded edge and we're going to roll it all the way in. I'm going to rotate the screen again to the opposite side. We're going to roll it all the way in. By doing this, we have even tension on both sides of the screen. I'm going to rotate it and do the long side of it now the same way. Rotate the screen again. And repeat the steps. Pushing the fabric part of the way in. And then the other side, the rounded edge on the roller, all the way in. Rotate the screen around. And push the spline all the way in. At this point, you can inspect it. If everything looks good, you can trim off the excess spline from each corner. And now we're going to cut off the excess fabric. So we're going to start with the blade along the top of the spline, hitting the edge of the framework and just pulling on it until it works itself loose. And this is the finished screen. Thank you for watching.